guys, this is Jason from Jason and Joni Builds and my beautiful wife Joni. We're on the road again today, going to pick up what?
A new Bronco. Well, it's not a new Bronco, but it's new to our family.
Right. A new to us Bronco, or Joni called it a someday project.
A someday project.
So, guys, I've been looking for a 78, 79 Bronco for a while. My brother has one, and it's really nice. Next time we're at his house, I'll get some video of it. And the cool thing about their Bronco is his wife was brought home from the hospital in that Bronco. And since then, they've had 2 children of their own, and they've brought both of their kids home in the same Bronco. So anyways, it's pretty cool. But this Bronco we found is 10 miles from the house. That's a bad glare, isn't it?
It's blinding me.
But it's 10 miles from the house. I've passed it for 2 years. I decided to go ask the guy about it, and he was willing to sell it. So we got a good price on it, and hopefully it's going to be a good Bronco. It's got really good floors. The steel on it's all really good. 351 Bronco, got the Ranger package. So I'm real excited about it. It's going to be neat. It's light in color with the sort of a light blue interior. So well,
I'm super excited when I saw the inside, because growing up I learned how to drive on an 82 white F-150 with the blue interior, and whenever I saw the inside, that's whenever I got excited about it, because it just kind of brought back some memories. So I told him, I said, this will be perfect for our girls to learn how to drive. And my theory is if they learn how to drive on something big, then if they get in something small, then that's just a piece of cake.
That's right. So anyways, I'm sure my folks will think I'm crazy.
I'm sure the neighbors think we're crazy.
Just keep driving home with these vehicles, but I think we're fortunate to find it, because the 78, 79s are kind of going crazy right now as far as price. They're being bought up everywhere, and actually when I went and met the guy, somebody had already put a piece of paper asking him or telling him they wanted to buy it. So my granddaddy would say strike while the iron's hot, and today we did, and we lucked out with the Bronco. So we'll get some video here in a minute, show you what we're getting. Okay guys, just it's in the morning, so you can see it. I just wanted to do a quick walk around. That fender is probably the worst of the whole Bronco, but this thing is really straight. Doesn't have any rust holes in it. Back here on the back, you can see the guy had a irrigation system on his farm, and where this Bronco sat, it would get wet as the rotator would come around, and they had a lot of iron in their water, and so that's all iron stain. That's not all rust. There is some on the tailgate, but it's not rusted through. It's just mainly surface. But I'm really happy with this thing. It's a 1978 Bronco Ranger XLT, and it's originally out of Missouri. And the original owner was his last name was Ford. That's kind of interesting. But I really wanted one of these. You know, my brother has one, and I think it'll be fun to both of us to have one and get them fixed up. But I won't start it until I get my 66 finished, and then we'll decide what we're going to do, this one or the 70 next. But show you the inside. Now, this is what kind of got Joni excited. She said it made her feel like the truck she learned to drive on. She learned to drive on an 82 Ford F-150. So, talking about the floors, you know the carpet's bad, but I pulled the floor mats back. Look at that. There's no holes. There's no rust. You know, it's all there. Look at the drip rail. I don't know how much you can see. So this thing is really nice. All right, get up here. And the dash has got just a couple cracks in it. It's not too bad. It's showing 55,000 miles, but the cluster looks really good. Got high-tech radio in it. Cassette player. Nice. But everything's still here. Back seat. Look at that. It doesn't look bad. You know, think guys, this is 40 years old. So, you know, the trim's still there around the back glass. So I'm just, you know, all the original shifter, everything's here. It's got an extra set of plugs in it. A little bit of change to help restore it. So, anyways, I am too excited about all this. Let's look under the hood. All right, here's under the hood. Again, no rust holes. Everything's here. Got some extra plumbing fittings there on top of the air breather. So it's 351. Air conditioning, all the power steering stuff's there. Everything's here. Look at that. Everything. Well, guys, I'm excited. I think this will be a fun build. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it too.
What are you doing?
I'm supposed to be putting this up, but I wanted to see if it would crank.
So you were going to do that without me?
Not so much without you.
And without everybody else watching?
Well, I just squirt some starting fluid in it, and I know it didn't have any fuel in it, but we'll see what we'll see what it'll do.
No way.
You hear that?
How long did it sit?
20 years.
Wow.
Nasty. It might do it. It may not. But the motor's together and it's not locked.
Well, that's good.
The rats have been in the plug wires.
I was about to say, is anything living in it?
I'm sure there is. I just want to hear it run off one time. Just like that. Throwing crap all in my eyes. Come on, girl. It's gonna run. I can't ask a whole lot more of it right now. Well, guys, I hope you guys are as interested as I am in this Bronco here. This is going to be fun. So I just had to show you. I'm too proud of it, too excited about it. So I'm not going to quit on the 66, but I had to jump on this while the opportunity was there. So we appreciate you guys tuning in. We'll be back soon, working on the Bronco. Y'all take care.